Today I'm going to teach you Chair Surya Namaskar. Chair Surya Namaskar is very beneficial for people who are always seated in an office, especially if you're a software engineer or if you require to be seated most of the time, most of the day. If you learn this technique, it's really good to have a break once in a while and to relieve your lower back of back pain. So let's see how to do it. Your chair should be static. Don't have a chair with wheels on. You need to have a proper static chair. And once you know that your feet are touching the floor, as in you have to come a little forward from your back if your feet are dangling, and keep your feet firmly on the floor. So before doing this Surya Namaskar, if you feel very stiff in your body, do some warm-ups like this. You can twist with your left hand coming onto the right side of the chair, and the right arm can go up and to the back and twist with your tummy looking over the right shoulder. Stay here with 3 breaths. 1, 2, 3, and slowly come back to center. The other side, lift the left arm up and bring it behind the chair. Right arm goes from the front to the other side and twist to the left looking over the left shoulder. 1, breathing in Ujjayi breath. 2, 3, and come back. You can also do cat-cows, keeping your palms on your knees. Pull the chest back, exhale here, and arch the chest forward, looking up. Inhale here. Exhale to cat position. Inhale to cow position. Exhale to cat. Inhale to cow. Okay, now the side body stretches. Keep your right hand on the right side. Left arm can go up and over. Inhale here. Exhale the other side. Inhale, bring the right arm up. Exhale, come back to center. Inhale, left arm up to the side. Exhale, back to center. Inhale, right arm up to the side. Exhale, back to center. So these stretches you can do before and after the Surya Namaskar. And then you'll feel really relaxed and stretched, and you'll be able to resume your work again seated. So now this Surya Namaskar is only one variation of Chair Yoga. There are many variations of this Chair Yoga Surya Namaskar. This is one variation that actually targets your abs as well as your lower back and upper body. You need to incorporate Ujjayi breath while you are moving in this Chair Surya Namaskar sequence. So this is how it goes. In an inhale, bring your arms up, stretching upwards and look up. In the exhale, come all the way down. See if you can keep your palms on the sides of your feet. Next, inhale, bring the right knee up and open the chest and look up, point the toes. And in the exhale, hold on to your chair and lift the legs up to 90 degrees. Now this targets your belly muscles. Inhale, again we start. Bring the arms up. Exhale to fold. Inhale, this time lift the left knee up, pointing your toes, look up. Exhale, hold on to the chair and lift the feet up, pointing the toes. Inhale, third round, arms come up, look up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, right knee up, look up, open the chest. Exhale, hold the chair and lift the legs to target the belly muscles. Inhale, fourth round, arms up, look up, exhale, fold. Inhale, left knee up, look up, exhale, lift the legs up and release. Now without instructions, I will do with my breath so you can hear the breathing and you can see the movement in one go. Okay, we'll meet again with another episode like this, a very beneficial, helpful, small video clips for your life through yoga. Subscribe and like and comment and stay with me in Myrus Yoga channel.